Now. I know say people go say, soup no dey you they talk the video dark. And not they see you. I don't want to make they see me well because fear not they let us talk again. Oh. Because if you talk concerning the country, they will find you. If you can't talk for the states, they will swear for you. Now, if they watch me, person they near you for there, ask the person say, now so we go the day, now so we go the day, now so we will still live and we will live for our children. Now, they arrest una the can. A lot of people that they happy, some people they sad. But I want to ask una question. Most of them way they happy. Now waiting make you the happy. Say the whole now because if they talk, now talk they talk, just be like radio. See, federal government now I get this video. I don't know this kind of school when I go. Why is it that anything when they go tell una like this, una go turn out to the other side? Now they always they speak una English upside down. What Nigeria citizens need is provision, not protection. They tell us even bring provision, now they bring protection with AK-47. How can you protect your citizen with AK-47 with arms? What they need is provision, not protection. Go outside country, go Germany now, where you will see where person they use AK-47 they protect the people, even the immigrant when they the country. Not be AK-47 that they protect them, but are they not doing well? You don't ever hear say for James you say person bust bottle for person belly, or you hear say even show grass where you will see rituals will worth 30,000 euros. They know they thief them. If thief can't Jamie, they go. If thief can't Jamie, make can't thief. If they hold them, they will complete and say a new person. They will give a free house, give her money to get work. They will provide for them. They will put them for school. At the end of the day, from thief, you go talk to teacher. Go Nigeria, teacher go talk to thief. Upside down. Humble. Leader, you humble. Humble to your people. Now they put you for that seat. Humble. Either they talk to you. Humble. No, you not go humble. You go they hurt them. Now, if person won't go barrier, person like him money won't go barrier for Nigeria now. You go dey G-Wagon. Extra 8 car. Go follow an escort. Like say, he put parking space for the person village. If you invite one person, he go pack 8 car follow by the escort. Make them know say get money. Now arrange your country. Just arrange. Now Nigeria, now arrangement you need. Arrange them. You know arrange them. Arrange the country. The country do scatter. Go Nigeria that they pack anyhow. Arrange your country. Put us. If you arrange your country, P-Square and Paul. Peter and Paul, they no will get problem. Therefore, not correct to say Nigeria arrange. Go P-Square compound. Motorway day inside reach 16. They will say Root Boy na 8. Mr. P 8. Because if this one buy G-Wagon, this one will buy. If to say one G-Wagon na 500,000 that they pay for the tax, for the parking space. P-Square, 2 of them for the manage one G-Wagon. Arrange the country. Make they pay tax. Maintain the country, come Europe, and the road, na be the background of Europe. Now make if you snap picture, you go fine. Don't be saying Nigeria not fine. German roofing when they German, now they Italy, now they Nigeria. For Nigeria to be like Germany, not to arrange them. Each person is entitled to have car. If you come say you get 7 children, you won't buy 7 children, you won't buy 7 car, give your children, you will buy your parking space. What is the meaning of fence? People go say, not be inside a company pass the motor. You don't see fence for Europe. Person never feel build money to build 3-bedroom flats here. You go there inside. Now people take the fence 200 by 200. That one a country when I know arrange. You go build fence, put gates. You go see put protector for your house. You go still put door, and you see the fear. Road will not do, light no day. Provide for your people. You dey protect them with gun. If you invite one person, you go pack 8 car follow by the escort, make them know say get money. The village when you won't carry the car go, you buy your parking space for there. It also they arrange the country. How you go invite person for marriage or burial? You go carry one jeep, another extra 8 go follow him as escort. Where you want pack him? Come Europe, a person they do marriage, you know they pass 7. Now leg they will take trek come because they know say as they come. that area, no parking space where they won't park their car, because any parking space where you see for there belong to somebody. No, nah, go Nigeria, one person get 8, 16 car, even 15. Person I buy Ferrari 3 for a daughter that day. They park am. They will say, "Na compound now." It was the country good for the see compound. We are not ashamed to say una get compound. They see compound. Check Europe. Just look everywhere. Once you build your house, they will cut your space, give you where you follow enter your domot. The remaining space na government get, they will cut them space, car space, parking space. Now they will turn out to money go they come for there different way. Everybody, all the restaurants, so all the beer parlors, so all the provision, all of them will go inside hall, turn everything to company. You jam till electrician. If an electrician that they do now, 5 electricians jam there together, pack everything. They will get company where electrician they work. If they won't work for house, they will go collect person for the company. They go do them. That person when they work, so he will pay tax. No more village sister. Say person go be hairdresser or you they say anything. You can't go village. Go carry your sister come for village. Can I call Lagos? You go they help you they sell for beer parlor. You go see they suffer them. You know they pay them. No more my village sister. Once you carry sister come for any business where you they do, that your sister if you come you must they pay them. If you don't say no fit pay them, make you mad they find work. You must they pay them. If not 30,000 or 40,000, you go they pay a month. Inside there, your sister go they pay tax for the country. Now so Europe they maintain their country. Anything way they do, they must write contract. You go Nigeria now, people they drive anyhow. Once Peking they come on mad for bless, you don't buy car. Because they know they go drive in school. Who just sabi drive, you don't buy car. Everywhere, if you don't want park, you enter bush, you park there. If you reach barrier, motor go full inside bush. No parking space, no arrangement. If all the celebrities they pay tax for all their cars, you know how much? All of them will sell their car cheaper. They will manage one. Car will reach everybody hand. They will manage them. Arrange the country. Now arrangement the country needs. Arrange the country and stop arresting them. Provision. Provide for them and stop protecting them. Stop protect them. They say they need protection. Now provision they need. How can you protect your country, your people with AK-47? Now so you see that they protect them for outside country. Una they travel, una they even they copy the good inside. Now let the bad una they copy. Una know what una they do. Anybody when travel go outside the country when you go tell me say he like Nigeria the way it be so, that person you don't need better thing for life. Talk. Una no agree talk. As I do video, now people go see curse me. We go see they talk. You when they crap, they say thank God they don't hold on the canoe. Your whole day your backyard, they go still catch you. Una the kind of people come out now with the experience and some things. I don't say they go like jail and all they go bezel and make them forget time for life the way that they do them. But you know go work. You know go work. You when they say I no be Biafra, say maybe not can go routine. Ask yourself. Now so we go the day. That's how we go the day. Because you know, thank God say not be me. So the Europe, thank God say not the country again. Now so we go the day. Now the question when I can ask una, if una not still like una know, but if una not take this my advice, una not go get sense again.
Mr. Soup.